here's the deal. So basically, there's a 100-mile-per-hour wind that is shutting down the EDC for right now. As you can see, all of our truss is violently moving back and forth. There is a safety hazard due to the fact because, you know, if this wind keeps on blowing super hard, it's gonna freaking just like knock shit down. I mean, it's gonna completely like, you know, hurt something. So right now, everybody's just going down to the bleachers because it's the safest spot right now, and so we're just waiting until they get us the okay to do what we got to do again. Okay, let's check you guys out later.